were having this discussion yesterday on Twitter on the fact that I'm 100% sure that I work best in a coffee shop instead of at home. And I'm wondering, because I know a lot of people work better at home in silence, people work better in public, but I don't know, it's a funny discussion, I think. And there's a lot to say about it. So I'm curious to know, guys, where you work best, where you trade best. Is it at home or in a coffee shop or outside? You need to have silence or no? But try to figure that out for yourself as well, because if you don't know where you work best, it's going to be difficult for you to work best, of course. So you want to figure that out as soon as possible and be more and more as possible in that environment. So on that note, it's Wednesday morning today. Yesterday I missed a really good trade. I'll do a Facebook Live and tell you guys exactly why. Make sure you check out the Facebook group if you want to know exactly what happened. And on that note, let's get started with that day. Today I want to address a topic that I'm really passionate about, that I love to talk about even. And that's the topic of trading rituals. Those things that you do in Forex or outside your trading actually, that can really help you get results in trading. And those are probably the best things to talk about because I love them. But I know some people don't like to talk about rituals because they think that rituals are only kind of stupid or they don't make any result. They don't make any sense. But I'll try to show you guys a little bit why they make sense and why you should have rituals. And I'll try to share my rituals as well. Those that I love, that I do pretty much every day, and possibly those that I struggle with, because there's a few. So let's start with some basics, and at the end I'll tell you really my favorite ritual, the thing that I get the most result from. So the first one has to do with reviewing your plan every single day. Every single morning you need to review your plan. And that's probably the one that I have the most difficulty with, that I tend to not follow all the time. I don't review my plan every single day, but ideally, the thing I would like to do is to review the plan every single morning, look at my best setup, my best trades in my journal, and think about them. Think about, kind of visualize them, how they're going to look in the market, and whether I can really take them, and what I would do if I would have to take them. It's kind of a visualization you do every morning, and that really helps. And the second really important thing is about journaling. Whenever you have a thought, something you think about, or something you did, or anything you basically have in mind, write it down on a journal. And I'm a big fan of this now because I've seen the result, I've seen all the insights you can have, all the ideas you can implement with the journal. So it's really a big one. And ideally you want to check your trade as well, to make sure that you know what your trades are, what mistakes you make, and how you can correct them in the future. The next ritual has all to do with planning your time. You need to be able to decide how you're going to spend your time in a week, what time you're going to spend trading, what time you're going to spend backtesting if you want to do some work, preparing your plan. What gets scheduled gets done, and what doesn't get scheduled doesn't get done, of course. So you have to be really, really precise when you plan and make sure that all the activities that help you trade better are in your calendar. Now let's go with the next one. Accountability and building up your social circle. You need to be able to surround yourself with people who get you, who want to go where you want to go, and who are putting the work to go where they're supposed to go. That's really important. And this is one of the places where I got the most value, by surrounding myself with other traders, meeting other traders in person. And now I do it like a weekly kind of obligation to hang out with people, to reach out to other traders, to discuss with them whatever topic we talk about. Not because it's necessary, but because I know that by doing this, I'm getting closer to my goals. And sometimes clear all the things that don't go well. I feel better right away. There's this quote by Jim Rohn that says, "You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." This is absolutely true. And I'm taking advantage of this by reaching out to at least 5 people per week that I want to connect with, that are going where I want to go, and that's always really awesome. So here's one last tip I want to give you guys for today, and that's probably my favorite one. It's to surround yourself with positive content, positive article, positive podcast, positive videos, whatever, because you need to stay positive. It's the best way to reach your goal, the most important way if you want to keep moving forward. Because so many people get disappointed by things that happen and they stop moving forward. So the more you stay positive, the more you keep getting consistent in the things you listen to, the things you read, and the things you hear. It's really important. So we'll conclude the video for today, guys. Give it a like if you liked the video today. Comment the video with any thoughts, any questions you have. I want to hear those. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next video. Ciao.